Hey Carb Dodgers, welcome back to the kitchen. Hope you're doing well. We're going to do another little snack hack today. I'm going to make some crackers. Of course, they'll be low carb because that's what we do here. For this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 cups of almond flour, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder or minced garlic I'm using in this instance, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, white pepper, doesn't really matter. We're also going to need an ounce or 30 grams of cream cheese. So I've got the good old Philly here, and then a cup of shredded mozzarella. And then optionally, if you want some seeds on top, I've got some poppy seeds here, so we might give those a go. So what we first going to need to do is pop our mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, and our cream cheese into a microwave-proof bowl, and then zap that for a minute or two until it's all nicely melted. Okay, there's the cheese fresh out the microwave, all nicely melted together. So then we'll simply pop in everything else. And a good old stir. So at this point we'll add our egg. And what we're looking to do is to form a pretty much a dough ball. So that's all coming together. And we'll give that a knead just to combine everything nicely. Oh, it does smell nice. Okay, now the challenge here is to get this dough as thin as possible. So I'll split it into two. I've got my bottom baking paper sheet. What I also do is just give that a spray of olive oil. Grab another sacrificial piece of baking paper, parchment paper, call it what you will. And pop that on top. Grab our trusty rolling pin. And get that nice and thin. Okay, I'll pop that onto a tray. So I've got the oven preheating at 375 Fahrenheit or about 190 centigrade. The tool for the job is the pizza cutter. Okay, it can be as precise or as rustic as you like. I'll go rustic because I'm a rustic kind of guy. Okay, that's one. That's two. Okay, again, we'll get this as thin as we possibly can. Okay, let's try it. Okay, pop that onto our tray. And they'll go into the oven for maybe 15, 20 minutes. We'll just keep an eye on them, make sure they're not burning on the corners. So we need to get them as, into a hot oven so they crisp up nicely. So in they go, and we'll see you in 15. So there we have it, low carb keto crackers. The ones on the left I've added some poppy seeds, the ones on the right probably use another minute or two, but hey ho, there you go. My name is Alan, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.